Grounding Large Multimodal Model, or GLaMM for short, is the first of its kind model capable of generating natural language responses that are seamlessly integrated with object segmentation masks. This project is based on a thorough research, datasets, code, and lot of examples plus a working demo. In this video, I am going to show you a quick demo of this project, plus we will look into some of the technical details. This project is based on the hard work of all of these researchers who have done a fabulous job on this model, because the quality shines through and you can tell just by reading this paper, and I will drop the link in video's description. This paper is a collaboration between Mohammed bin Zayed University of AI, Australian National University, Aalto University, Carnegie Mellon University, University of California, Linkoping University, and Google Research. So you can already sense that quality is a cornerstone of this awesome project. It is based on of this Grandy or grounding anything dataset, and this is the project page of this awesome model, I should say. It is the first end-to-end LMM with the capability to accept regions, images, and text as input and output pixel level groundings interleaved with the text. And this interleaving is one of the hallmark of this model. It can perform multiple vision language tasks, including grounded conversation generation or GCG, image captioning, referring expression segmentation, region level captioning, and phrase grounding. I will also show you on different images and different text prompt as how exactly this works. One of the good thing and very generous thing about this project is that they have also put in all the code and lot of other detail in their GitHub repo, and I will drop the link in video's description. Going back to the previous example, just look at this. This is one of the example from their Grandy dataset. Here, their automated annotation pipeline provides multiple semantic tags. As you can see that the image in the middle and on the left and right side, there is a lot of information about these images. And also it has provided the dense caption plus the additional context. And there are various other examples too. And the output and the inference of this image is really of very high quality. The backbone of GLaMM is their large-scale grounding anything dataset, or GRAND-D, as I just showed you, and also the grounded conversation generated dataset, GRAND-D-F. GRAND-D is a large-scale dataset generated using a fully automated annotation pipeline comprises of 7.5 million concepts in 8-10 million regions, each with a segmentation mask. GrandDF is designed for GCG tasks with around 214K image grounded text pair for high quality fine tuning, and that really tells something about this project. Now, if you go through this GitHub repo and this project page, there's a lot of other information. I'm not going to go into all of the detail. You can go through as you like, but I would highly suggest that you keep this in mind that it consists of 5 core components as mentioned here to achieve this visually grounded conversation: global image encoder, region encoder, LLM, grounded image encoder, and pixel decoder. And they all work in tandem cohesively to handle both textual and optional visual prompts. This grounding large multimodal model is primarily an end-to-end trained LLM, which provides visual grounding capabilities with the flexibility to process both image and region inputs. This enables a new unified task of grounded conversation generation that combines all of these things which I just mentioned. And I'll repeat: phrase grounding, referring expression segmentation, and vision language expressions. It is also equipped with the capability for detailed region understanding, pixel level groundings, and also conversational abilities. The versatility of this GLaMM is second to none. Now, As I said, that the components of this GLaMM are cohesively designed to handle both textual and optional visual prompts. And any some of the other stuff in this GitHub repo is also really demands you to spend some time if you're interested in this one, because for me one of the best thing is that it generates detailed region specific captions and answers reasoning based visual questions. Now let me show you some of the examples. As I said, one of the great thing about this project is that they have provided this online demo which you can access from their uh, GitHub repo or project page, and you can find the links in videos description. Okay, now they have provided this example, but let me cancel it and let me upload one of my own image and then we will try it out with different text prompts. Let me upload first image from my own collection. It's a simple YouTube thumbnail for my another video which I created, and I'm going to ask this model, could you please give me a detailed description of the image? And then let's click on submit. You can also check these boxes, but I'm not going to do that for now. It's working. Let's wait for it to come back. The model has come back, and on the right hand side, if you look at this output, it says a man in a suit points at a picture of a computer. So yes, there is a man and it is pointing to something, but it is not a computer and man is not wearing a suit. Okay, so the first one I would say it's a fail. Now let me try out any other image. Let me cancel it. Where it's not letting me cancel it. Let me refresh this page and we will ask it another question. If I refresh the page, let me select another image. It is just an imagery which I generated. Now, the question I'm asking here is quite interesting. I'm saying, could you provide me a detailed analysis of this photo? Please output with interleaved segmentation mask for the corresponding parts of the answer. Now, I'll click on generate. The interleaved segmentation mask primarily refers to a technique used to separate and organize different types of input data, textual token and visual pixel into a single unified sequence. This approach allows the model to process and understand the combined data more effectively, as you can see in the output. By interleaving, the model can maintain the spatial or sequential relationship within the each modality, text or image, while integrating the information across modalities, enabling it to perform tasks that require understanding both textual and visual information simultaneously. This method is crucial for tasks like image captioning, visual QA, or any other application where the synergy between text and image data enhances the model's performance. Now, if you look at this, how beautifully it has told us that this purple one is mountain, blue is river, and then yellow is what yellow is? It is sky, which it has just interleaved. And it is seen overarching the mountain, which is correct. The grass is attached to the mountain, which is in blue again. This bit different blue. So spot on. I think this is perfect answer. Really can't find any fault in it. So second test is totally spot on and pass. Let me reload it. I think I'm not doing something right here. Okay, so I'm just going to, but it is not letting me select another image here. I'm just going to refresh it and then I'm going to ask it another question. Let me load another image. Okay, so in this image, I'm asking it, um, could you please give me a detailed description of the image? Let's see. It's the same question which we asked in the first one, but with a twist here. Let's see if it is able to find. Let me scroll down. It says two women in in a field of wildflowers. Oh wow, this is great. So these are two women. I'm not sure how it detected that both are women because they are not facing the camera, but still you can see that both are women, we can tell, and so is the model. And yes, this is the field of wildflowers. Awesome stuff. Beautiful. Okay, let's try out another one. Let me reload the page. Let me select the image. Now in this one, let me try to segment the uh, this bear. So I'll ask it, can you segment the bear in this image? And then let's click on submit and let's wait for it to come back. There you go. So it has segmented the bear, and the glam is really awesome. Really can't find any fault with it. This is really, really cool. You can see. Okay. Let me reload it and then give it another image. Okay. So I have just uploaded this scenery from an Australian outback where I am. And let me ask it that can you segment the kangaroos? Can you segment the kangaroos in this image? Let's see, there are three kangaroos. If it is able to do it or not. There you go. So it has segmented all three kangaroos. How cool is that? Can I ask it? Uh, let me submit again. Let me try to do a follow-up question about the uh, image. Let me ask it, do you see any birds in the image? Right, let's see. And it says sure, the segmentation result is, and it has done the bird thing. I'm not sure if this cloud is a bird. I think it maybe mistakenly did it, but it has obviously done the bird thing. Okay, let me reload it and let's ask it another question. So this is again Australian outback. I'm going to ask it what the people are riding in this image. Let me click on submit. It's working. Wait for it to come back. Already there. Okay, so it has just segmented it. It hasn't told me what it is, but it has just segmented it, which is fine. That is cool. Let me ask it a final question. I'm going to give it an image and I'm going to ask it. This is again from Australian Outback. So I'm asking it what is the color of soil in the image and can you guess the location? Let's see if it is able to do that, if it is Australia or where. So it hasn't given me any response, but it has segmented it. It is more about segmentation, which is fine. But you can tell that this uh, project is really awesome. So great work by all of these researchers again. Hanuna Rashid, Muhammad Maz, Sahal Shaji, Abdur Rahman, Salman Khan, Hisham, Rawa Manvar, Erics, Ming, Fahad Khan. Great stuff, guys. Thumbs up. I'll drop the link to these in the video's description. Let me know what do you think about this model. And if you like the content, please consider subscribing to the channel. And if you're already subscribed, then please share it among your network as it helps a lot. Thanks for watching.